Okay? Check this out.
Okay, Paris in 15 seconds. Let's go.
That's a YouTube short. Vertical format, 15 seconds, a different city every time, the footage, the character, the locations, all of it. I didn't make that. I built a system that made it. Claude wrote the prompts, Higgsfield generated the visuals, a spreadsheet told it which city to do next. I set it up once, and now it just runs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build the exact same thing from scratch. No coding, no editing skills, nothing fancy. Just a system that makes travel shorts on autopilot. Let's get into it. So here's the thing about making YouTube content consistently. It's a grind. Or you build a system that generates the footage for you, picks the next city off a list, makes the video from scratch, drops it in a folder, ready to post. And the whole thing costs about $3 per video. So let's build it.
The first thing you need is Claude Desktop. Head over to Claude.ai and download the Mac app. Installation is straightforward, just like any other app. Once it's installed, sign in with your Anthropic account. You will need a paid plan for this. The Pro plan works perfectly, and it's $20 a month. Before we connect Higgsfield, we need to grab the URL from their website. Go to higgsfield.ai. Click on MCP and CLI at the top. Make sure Claude is selected, and you'll see the connector URL right there. Just copy it. Now in Claude Desktop, go to Settings, then Customize, and click on Connectors. Hit the plus button and select Add Custom Connector. Here, you're going to name it Higgsfield, paste in that URL, and hit Add. Go ahead and sign in with your Higgsfield account, and come right back here. And that's it. Higgsfield is connected, and Claude can now generate videos directly from this window. Now we need to open Terminal. Hit Command and Space. Type Terminal, then hit Enter. Now jump back to Higgsfield's setup page, CLI tab this time. Make sure Claude is selected, and you'll see the 3 commands right there. We're going to run them one by one. Copy that first command from the box. Go back to Terminal, paste it in, and hit Enter. Enter your computer password. That's installing the Higgsfield CLI on your machine. Grab that second command, head back to Terminal, paste it in, and hit Enter. This one logs you into Higgsfield from the command line. Last one. Copy it, paste it into Terminal, and hit Enter. This adds the Higgsfield skills to Claude, basically teaching Claude how to talk to Higgsfield and generate videos directly. You'll see 4 skills installed right there. You only ever have to do this once. Last piece of the setup, the CSV. Think of it as your city schedule. Claude already built this one for me. It's just a simple spreadsheet with 1 city per row. So the way this works, every city starts out red. That's just saying it hasn't been generated yet. And once Claude finishes a short for that city, that row turns green. That's it. Claude Desktop installed, Higgsfield connected, CLI ready, and your city list is right there. All right, so this is Claude Code. And you can see I have 2 files here. One is the city list we just built, and the other one is basically a set of instructions I wrote for Claude. It tells it exactly what to do for each city, the settings, how to build the prompt, where to save the video, all of that. So instead of me typing everything out every single time, Claude just reads those instructions once and handles the whole thing by itself. Watch what happens when I hit Enter. It reads the instructions first, then opens the CSV, finds the next city on the list, that's Marrakesh, and asks me how many cities I want to generate this session. So I'm going to type one right here. And look at this. Before it does anything at all, it shows me exactly what it's going to cost. No surprises. I'll type confirm, and this is what happens. Claude sent the job over to Higgsfield, and you can see the job ID coming back right there. That's basically a tracking number. Claude writes it straight into the CSV immediately. So even if something goes wrong, nothing gets lost. From here, it's just rendering time. Higgsfield is building the video in the cloud. You can just leave this running and come back in a minute or 2. And there it is. The video is sitting right there in the folder, fully generated, ready to go. And if you want to run the whole list at once, just type all of them instead of one. You just wake up to a full week of content sitting in your folder.
The media doesn't let you leave. Not really.
That right there, was built entirely by the system. No camera, no crew, no location shoot. Just a city name on a list. Now the only thing left to do is upload it. And then it just sits there and works. Every short you post is another way someone finds your channel, another reason to subscribe. The system doesn't get tired. It doesn't need a day off. You point it at a list and it runs.
And that's really it. The system reads the list, makes the video, keeps track of what's done, and saves it in a folder. And remember, if I was of any help and you got this working, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and drop a comment with the content you would like to see next. Okay, see you on the next video.